a shot of them here pretty soon. Oh, there they are. Oh, there's one blackbird in there. Different species of the same bird. Okay. That's all right. Go over this way, we get some more shots. That's good enough. I don't want to scare them. Don't want to scare them. I just want to get a shot of them. Yeah, look at all of them. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. All eating stuff, other worms and bugs out of the soil. That's so cool. So cool. So cute. Those birds are so cool. I like all animals. Animals are so cool. Hopefully people around here are paying attention to them. I don't want anything to happen to the birds. I love animals. Yeah, they're all going across there. That's so neat to see those birds like that. So cool. I love birds. Love all animals. Right there. It's so cool to see all those birds. Look at all those birds. They're so pretty, aren't they? I love animals. Birds are so cool. They're all having fun now, eating their breakfast. Y'all have a good day. Bye for now.